Hello mga kasansi! Panibagong episode naman po ang inyong aabangan ngayong Year 2.
Salam! Shlonek, Shakbarek, Shalumek, Kipalhal! It's another Friday again with full of love, happiness, and excitement. Only here at
Sam!
and Quiz, the
Ano
podcast!
to? Right ako mga kasansi, Mama Viva. We're so excited yung episode ha. Siyempre, Merry Christmas pa rin po sa ating mga kababayan here po sa Kingdom of Bahrain. At we're so thankful dahil we are still here sa episode na ito, Mama Viva.
Yes.
Ang Flamingo Restaurant talaga nagpagamit pa rin.
We're so thankful na pinagamit pa rin nila yung place nila.
Oo, so exciting. So ngayon, Mama Viva, it's a very nakaka-proud yung magiging guest natin for today's episode.
Yes, it's gonna be another fashion design, soon to be a fashion designer icon.
Oo, talagang
Yes.
iba na to. Nakikita na natin yung kanyang mga gawa. Talagang
Mga creations, yes, oo.
In all fairness, sobrang gaganda. Talagang may iba't ibang mga artista na rin po ang kanyang mga dinadamitan. Baka soon naman ang sa aming Chris, damitan na niya.
Soon. Ang medyo may mga naalala ako pagdating sa ganyan eh. Like, yung mga futuristic na gawa, like si Fern One,
Yan.
yung mga futuristic creations niya. And hindi mo matatawaran talaga ang galing ng Pilipino sa pagdating sa fashion industry.
Yes, at saka yung guest natin talagang gumagawa na ng sa kanya sariling pangalan.
Yes.
In terms of fashion designing. At talagang we are so glad and happy na na-corner natin siya. And we're so thankful din sa ating, we're so very much thankful to Miss Christy, the mother of Miss Lou Jane Yaku, for having
Thank you so
opportunity
much.
for this.
Yeah, kay Ma'am Christy. Thank you so much, Ma'am Christy, for always believing sa amin, Chris, the podcast.
And of course, shout out to Lou Jane ha. We're so
Hi.
excited to see you.
Yes, hi, our princess. She's very busy.
Correct. Ayan. So yun mga kasansi, sa ating pagbabalik, makikilala na natin kung sino ba ang talagang gagawa na rin ng pangalan in terms of fashion design.
Yes.
Ibang level na to mga kasansi sa pagbabalik po ng Sam
And Quiz, the podcast.
Rampa Manila 2024 Young Designers. Morissette Magalona.
I'm Morissette Magalona. I am one of the young designers of Rampa Manila 2. Growing up, gustong-gusto ko na ang fashion. When I took up architecture, backup plan ko na yung fashion design. Nung pumunta ako sa Divisoria, nung nag-canvas ako ng fabrics, hindi ko ginamit literally yung mga common na ginagamit for dress. I use fabric used for pillowcase, sofa, curtain. Kasi napakaganda nung print, tsaka nung texture, at saka yung quality niya pwedeng gawing damit, pwedeng gawing pants. Ang collection ko ngayon is inspired by Philippines national symbols. We are capable of bringing our beautiful designs, and siguro we can bring our culture and promote more the beauty of Philippines, the beauty of Manila, but this time internationally.
Alright, we're back mga kasansi. Mama Viva, excited ka na?
I'm so excited. You know, I'm very fanatic of runway, fashion designers, and also the beauty pageant kasi magkakadugtong na yan eh.
Oh, at syempre hindi lang yan. Ang sa amin, Chris, talagang we are so happy for this fashion design kasi nga, ang artful, kasama natin, di ba?
Artful.
Oo, nagbibigay sa atin yan ng saya.
Sabi dun, di ba dun sa artful din, dun yung tapat, which is yun yung isang
Oo, yung isang
line ng art.
line.
Oo.
Foods,
The word is your runway. Tama ba?
Oo, the
Okay.
is your runway. So,
Diba?
the art meets fashion.
The art meets fashion.
Sa Oasis Mall sa Jufair, di ba?
Alright.
So, ang daming rumampat. Isa na nga po doon ang designer na kasama natin ngayong episode.
Opo.
Ayan. So, ano na ba yun? Talagang pinush na natin yan.
Yes.
Alright. So, mga kasansi, please welcome the fashion designer, the Filipino fashion designer. Narito po ngayon sa Kingdom of Bahrain, Mr. Morissette Magalona.
Hi! Welcome to Southern King. Kamusta po?
Hello, Maurice. Ayan.
Yeah, papa.
Maurice, talagang Pinoy na Pinoy.
Ay,
We're so happy.
Proud Pinoy.
Yeah, it's another Filipino again na talagang magre-remarkable in fashion industry.
Yes. So, kumusta ka, Maurice?
Eto, ayos naman. Kakabalik ko lang dito sa Bahrain and I'm so glad na nandito ako ulit.
Uy, Sam, he was based in Bahrain before. Yeah.
I think. Ilang years ka na ba dito nag-work before?
Actually, nag-work ako dito mga 7 years na.
7 years. Oh.
Nag-work ako sa consultancy company as a 3D visualizer and designer.
Oh, okay. So, pwede.
Pwede
It
talaga.
can be.
Connect na
He has an eye. Pwede. Yes, well. And you know, when I saw him at the back, I told him, you look familiar. Sabi ko sa kanya. Sabi niya rin sa akin, ikaw din. Sabi niya, marami kamukha to.
Oh, so, ilang taon na ba si Maurice ngayon?
Kaka 28 ko lang.
Oh
Oh my
my
God! Ilang taon na tayo? 45
You're so
na tayo,
young.
Mama Bibang, ha?
Oh my
Pero
God.
dito pa rin tayo.
Kaka
28, though. You have a long way to
Long
go.
way.
Yeah.
Long way to runway.
So, long way to runway.
Oo, bongga yan. 28 years old, ganito
28
level yung mga
Ay,
ginagawa
nako.
niya.
Thank you
wow.
so much.
Wow.
So,
You're where from in the Philippines?
I'm originally from Bicol.
Bicol.
Wow.
Shout
Bicol.
out. Hey, ate,
Ah.
you're from Bicol?
Yes.
Ang manager natin,
Oh,
taga
I'm
Bicol
from
din.
Bato Camarines Sur.
Oh.
Ay, Camarines
Bicol.
Sur.
Where
Ayun.
Venus Rock came from.
Wow, di ba?
So,
Which is-
shoutout mo yung mga kababayan mo.
Oh.
Hello mga Bicolano, kamusta ka po siton?
Yes, mga
Sana-
Oragon, no?
Mga Oragon.
Batiin mo sila in Bicol.
Kamusta mga Bicolano, mga taga Bato? Sa day ko Bahrain nguwan and hinggo na may kabayadan kita. Pag uli ko siton.
Wow, you're very own. Morissette Magalona.
Correct. Naku, nakaka-proud to mga from Bicol.
From Bicol.
Region, diba? So, malayo kayo doon sa Albay, sa Mount Mayon?
Malayo pero kaya naman, manageable pumunta doon.
Okay. So,
Sikat yun na, di ba?
Yes, oo. Albay, no?
Albites.
So, Bicol region pala yun.
okay.
I never know. I'm not good in geography.
Same here.
Same. Naku,
Oo, di ba? Basta ang alam ko, as far as I know, only the perfect cone volcano.
That's
That's
ko
it.
sa lugar.
I know in Albay, but I never knew that's from Bicol.
Bicol area yun.
It's
Bicol region, yeah. Anyways,
So-
at least you bring back the crown. That's it. I'm enough for that.
Very. Yes. Ayun. So, yun, Maurice, in this terms of your fashion design, ilang years na ba ikaw nagpa-fashion design?
Well, actually, I was fortunate enough kasi not fortunate, siguro I was blessed enough na kasi ginawa ko pa lang yung fashion career ko like literally this year.
Oh my God.
This year, yes.
So, dami mo ng design na gano'n. Pang this year lang yun.
Yes. You know, at the back na kinausap ko siya,
Oo.
I thought she was already in a year or in 5 years. I said, really? Yeah.
Oh
So,
my God. Ibang
but what I told to him, sinabi ko sa kanya na, you know, sabi ko, it's really suit for you.
Yes.
To be in
iba talaga.
the runway, to be in fashion industry.
Oo, iba pa.
Kasi it depends on your aura.
Yes, it's like this also. If if he is thinking this design, what's more for the next few years,
Yes.
it will emerge.
Mas para na
It might be sooner. We're going to the runway. Sa amin, Chris. And it was, di ba? Page or
Yes,
bag?
Vincent Magalona fashion show,
Yeah.
diba? So,
We're looking forward.
forward to that.
Just put as a mask.
Yes. So, for that, in your a year pa lang, di ba, ng iyong pag-fashion design, ano ba yung mga specialties mo for fashion designing? Di ba nabagay natin yung parang futuristic?
Futuristic. So you are more on futuristic, like
Oh.
more on like a cocktail dress or kasi
Mga
iba
drag
yan eh.
queens, this
The gowns from a beauty pageant is different than to the
Yes.
cocktail dress. That's
For sure.
so yeah. It's not very big difference here.
So me as a fashion designer, yung target ko is more like avant-garde.
Avant-garde.
So
Wow.
it focus more on arts and
Okay.
architecture.
Okay, that's
Pero
great.
yung akin meron siyang touch of Philippine culture,
Wow.
history. So if you see on my previous collection dun sa first collection ko, ang featuring ko dun yung futuristic Filipiniana.
Alright, that's great. So may mga futuristic Pilipiniana.
Talagang magmamatch kayo ng artful.
Yes.
Really.
Oo, superb. Ayan. So, yung mga talagang iba't ibang mga kakaibang mga designs na yung ginagawa niya. I think also, I see on your Instagram, meron kang isang fashion show din.
Yeah.
Saan ba ito ginagawa?
That was recently.
Okay,
Recently.
So my first one is here in Bahrain. So
Uy.
held here in Manama, Bahrain, hosted by France Embassy.
Wow.
So it's called Fashion Week Paris to Manama.
Wow.
So I was blessed enough to be part of their second season of the show.
Okay.
So ang history nun, actually, it's only exclusive for Bahrainis.
For Bahrainis, wow.
But for some reason, they open it for everyone.
Wow.
And then so I take a leap of faith na mag-audition.
Alright.
And then I got the email back and they're saying they want me in the show.
Wow.
So that was the first one.
Yes.
So not to mention, ako din yung first Filipino na na-feature nila doon.
Wow.
Wow, that's nakaka-proud.
So thank you so much.
Sam and Chris are really proud of you.
Yes, and of course, I heard that he is already received that award recently lang.
Yes.
Wow.
Really, you cannot measure
Nakaka-goosebumps.
Oo.
Diba?
You cannot measure yung galing talaga ng Pilipino when it comes to fashion designing. Totoo yan.
Oo, diba?
So, but you know, as far as I know, you don't have any background with fashion designing, correct?
Yes.
But it comes out natural.
Naturally diba?
So, kaya yun, I just want to say thank you so much dun sa France Embassy na nagtiwala sa akin.
Wow.
Even though I don't have that educational background,
Yeah.
Oo.
like my other peers na meron silang educational background in fashion design.
Mhm.
So, thank you so much, France Embassy. Kung if you're hearing this, thank you so much, Miss
Yes.
Nadia,
Yes.
for
Thank
believing
Thank you
in
so
me.
much, Miss France Embassy.
France Embassy. And you know, sometimes no, you can apply like me, no. They said, some people says that experience is the best teacher.
Yes.
It's right. No matter what may mga tinapos ka or you're finished this kind of courses. So, ngayon, talagang para sa akin, no, experience is the best teacher. So,
Also,
it's happened now to our kababayan,
Diba?
Morissette Magalona.
Yun, na-curious ako doon sa name mo, yung Morissette. Paano mo
Okay.
naging Morissette yung name?
That's your full name
Full name
ba?
ba talaga?
Yeah, that's my name.
Kasi
Di ba
nasa birth
pambabae?
certificate mo.
Pambabae, di ba?
Morissette, yeah.
Di ba?
So, yung mama ko kasi, ano siya, actually 16 years old siya when she had.
Ah?
Okay.
So, bata pa siya nung pinagbubuntis ako. So,
okay.
nung kapanganakan ko,
Okay.
so, ang mga era na yun, si Alanis Morissette, if you know.
Oo.
you know.
Kasi nga, he's only 28 years
Oo
old.
ba?
He's only 28 years old. So, by that time, hindi na pa ba uso yung yung ultrasound?
Oh.
So, they knew that you are a girl.
Pero, kasi sa sobrang idol ng mama mo, doon sa ano na yun.
Oo.
Ano kanya pinangal?
Doon niya ako pinangalan kay Morissette. So, actually, minsan nagtatanong ko, ma, bakit naman ito?
Pambabae.
Palagi ako napapagawa ng babae yung pangalan.
Pero okay naman, di
Pero
ba?
catchy ha?
Oo, catchy.
Catchy because
So, yung
if
kumanta ng si Motion, I don't know, usually the conversation come alive. Tama, di ba?
Yes.
Oh,
di ba?
tumama ako dahil
Kung hindi ko alam yun.
Hindi ko nga rin kilala si
Siya ba yun?
Bata pa si tayo.
Hindi. Hindi pala.
Hindi ang kilala.
Mali na naman ako.
Ang kilala ko lang Morissette, si Morissette Amon eh.
Si Morissette. Di ba?
Fun fact, same kami ng history kung bakit Morissette din ang pangalan
Ay,
niya.
talaga. Hindi, idol din ng mama niya, yung
Oo,
singer.
same year kami pinanganak.
Same
In
year
86.
pinanganak. Okay. So, kung 28 ka, 28 din siya. Okay. Have you met Morissette ba?
Actually,
In person?
bago kong pumunta dito sa Philippines, magwo-work sa naming dalawa. Magko-collab sa namin sa isang piece.
Okay.
Kaya lang aalis na ako.
Okay.
So pagbalik mo na lang siguro.
Siguro pagbalik.
You know, I love Morissette Amon kasi every time, mostly pag kumakanta siya, when she has a performance, she always wearing a nice gowns. And medyo may pagka-futuristic pa nga. So, but you never did a creation for Morissette Amon? Never?
Not yet.
No.
You're looking forward, of course.
Looking forward ako kay Morissette. Shout out sa'yo, Morissette. Mag-work tayo soon.
Hi, so... And bro, yes.
Morissette meets Morissette.
And
Eminem.
yes, and Morissette meets Sam and Chris the podcast.
So, love.
Soon!
Oo.
Yes.
So ito pa yung name mo pala, curious din ako, di ba Magalona? This is sikat na artista, ng artista sa Philippines, which is Francis M, the late Francis M.
The
Are you related with him?
Actually, sa pagkakalam ko talaga, no.
Yeah.
Pero during the show, nung second show, nung pumunta ako sa Philippines, nung na-feature din ako, merong one model doon
Alright.
na lumapit sa akin.
No.
I don't remember the name.
But sabi niya, hey, magpinsan tayo. Magano na din ako, magalo na din siya. Siya ang pinsan
Sa
ni
pinsan ni Mas,
Alan, ni Francis M.
Siya ang pinsan. So, you're...
talaga. Pero may resemblance yung face na.
Oh,
mga
thank you
magalo
so
daw.
much.
Francis.
Shout out sa papa ko.
Yes.
Shout out sa tatay namin
Shout
dyan.
out. Ako din tsaka tayong dalawa to, meron daw tayong resemblance kay
Kamukha tayo.
Francis, Pangilinan.
Uy! Grabe naman tayo.
Binalip.
Anyway, so,
Oo, talagang we're so exciting tayo. May mga upcoming events ka ba na i-held dito sa Bahrain?
So, right now, meron akong mga work na gagawin with Miss Christy.
wow.
Hi, Ma'am.
Si Miss Chris.
Ma'am Christy, that is the mom of our Miss Universe Bahrain 2023, Miss Rujen Yaku.
So you will having a collaboration with her.
And also with Miss Karen right here at the back.
Artful,
Yes, art.
Shout
Yes, Artful, yeah?
Art,
Yes.
art meets
Our producer.
Before they held last time in Oasis Mall, Fair.
Yes, that's very true. You know, I really love Lou Jane's mom.
Super.
Yes, it's
Love her
so
too.
nice and very approachable.
Love you, Mom.
Very supportive.
Yes, yes.
And she likes my mom na rin kasi
Oo.
very supportive.
Mommy Jar.
Wow. I like her hair always. It's look gorgeous.
We love you, Mom.
Yes, of course, that's why she sent a message last time that Sam, if you want to feature a Morissette,
Yes.
he is here in Bahrain for takes time. Then maybe you can have some interview for her. Then I tell her, okay, go. Let's have a schedule on that.
Yes, I know.
Finally, we had
And all of that you forwarded to me.
forwarded messages.
Yes.
Pati yung voice messages,
Yes, oo.
Super. Thank you so much, Miss Christy, for
Thank you so much,
Very
yes.
big support on that.
And sooner, no? Patutuloy ba si Lujen?
Yes, of course. We have a schedule. Maybe I think on the third Friday of December.
Oh, really? Oh, I'm looking forward to meet our princess.
Yes.
Hi,
Hopefully you are
Jane.
there, no?
Mag-shoot kami nila, Jane.
Wow!
We're so excited
She's
on
gonna be
that.
wearing my first collection.
Wow! Bongga!
Ito naman. Ayun. So, invite mo din, Morissette, i-follow yung mga social
Yes, your social medias.
Hi, everyone. Please follow my Instagram account. My clothing brand, M Morissette,
M. Morissette.
and my personal account,
Yes.
Morris M.
Morrison. How many days you will stay here in Bahrain?
I will stay here for like a few months.
Few months. Oh.
Bansa, matagal pa natin mga
So matagal-tagal pa ako
Morissette.
nandito.
I think he needs me.
Ay, bongga yan.
40?
Kailangan mo ba ng internet? Kailangan mo ba ng internet?
Kailangan ko ng internet.
Kailangan mo kasi Mami Craig.
Literal wala akong data.
Ay!
Data, okay.
Oh, the way is
You know to who you call.
Pag-iba.
Yes.
Yes, alright. Naku, maraming salamat, Mark.
Thank you so much. I just want to say thank you so much na meron ng ganitong platform such as your podcast featuring Filipinos based here in Middle East,
Yes.
specifically here
Correct.
in Bahrain.
Thank you so
So thank
much.
you so much and congratulations doon sa anniversary
Ay,
ng second
thank you,
year.
thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
And of course, mga kasansi, let's support ang ating mga kababayan pa rin talaga. Kasi sila yung gumagawa ng way to have the Filipino evolve talaga na hindi pang global Filipino.
That's very true. True.
Diba? At let's support Morissette. Talagang bongga to, ibang level ang ginagawa ng ating mga.
And I'm looking forward that pag nasa stardom na talaga siya.
Oh, no.
Siyempre hindi
Yes, I'm looking forward and
Iba na yan.
Sam and Chris, we're always there for you to support you to your
All the
journey. Yes.
Thank you
We're
so much.
supporting you ever.
Can I just take this opportunity?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much din also for Sir Bac Pineda and Mayor Hani Lacuna.
Bang! Hello, Mr.
Yeah.
Bang Pineda.
Kasi yung second
Designer
show
din.
ko, ay yung second show na nasalihan ko na fashion show, siya yung nag-approve sa akin.
Okay, wow.
So, thank
Ibang
you so much,
level
sir.
ka na talaga, ha? Iba na yung mga kasama mga fashion designer.
Thank you so
Bang
much.
Pineda is legendary din yan. Ang galing niya na mag-design.
Ako nung nag-audition ako, siguro mga 30 minutes lang, in-approve niya agad.
Wow. Kasi ibang level kasi, talagang makikita mo rin sa posture ni
Ay, naku.
Ba?
This is the one
Makakatch
I
ka
told
eh.
you, no? It's really suits for you because being a fashion designer, it depends on your aura. Like me. Kasi when I was young, I always watch Oscar Awards, Famas Awards, and then while I am with my mom when while watching, I think mom it's okay if they put on hair color like this. And then my mom told me, really? Sabi niya, parang alam niya na talagang Becky ako.
At saka may share din namin sa'yo, Morris, kasi ito talaga yung pagpo-podcast namin, hindi rin namin linya to.
Na-chismis ko na.
Na-chismis lang, pero natural na lumalabas paglabas ng camera.
I already chismis towards it, right? It's just only accident.
Accident lang
I
lahat.
just
By
want to say
accident.
napaka-pro po nila.
Ako, thank you so much, Morris. Talagang, we're so glad and happy to have you here.
Yes, thank you so much and welcome to Bahrain again.
Oh, at talagang mag-i-stay pa siya dito ng few months.
Humans.
Kasama pa natin siya.
Wow.
At syempre pa, we have some special gift for you.
Of course.
Ayan, we have a gift for you, like a flower and a souvenir from sa aming
Yes.
business.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Ayan, so sana magustuhan mo ha. At we're so thankful din talaga
May
na
pabulaklak.
Wow.
I love it.
sa amin.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Uy!
Yes.
Love it.
Oo, magkape
Oh, may
ka.
face nila.
Pocket Wi-Fi.
Tamang-tama. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat
Thank you so
din.
much.
Maraming salamat din, Morris. Okay? So yan mga kasansi, please support Morissette Magalona.
Magalona.
Proud Filipino fashion
Yeah.
designer.
Follow his
Social
Instagram, social media
Yan.
accounts. Yes.
At syempre, ipa-flash natin yung kanyang mga design.
Yes, and
Ng
with
kanyang
videos.
Videos
Yeah.
design.
Imagine,
Mapanood niyo yan dito.
he was recognized by France.
Yes. Malay mo sa Paris na, totoong Paris na yung nasa.
Owner, no? Gawin mo
Pero
na.
unahin muna natin sa Middle East, no?
Middle East
Bahrain
na muna.
Fashion Week.
Bahrain
Baka
Fashion
push
Week.
natin yan, no?
Yes. Why not Choconut?
Why not?
Yeah.
Chocolate, Bahrain Fashion Week,
Yes.
diba? Ayan, alright. So mga kasansi, patuloy pa rin po niyong pag-subscribe, pag-like at pag-share ng ating mga social media accounts. Sari pa ang ating Facebook,
Adyan ang ating TikTok,
ang ating Instagram.
ang ating YouTube.
Yes, at patuloy pa rin po. Naku, maraming salamat for the support at talagang nakakataba ng puso kayo mga kasansi.
Opo.
And yun, mga
Yes, and hello mga kasansi. If you are looking for any STC lines like SIM Broadband, Voice SIM, 5G and Fiber, please call 330-40473 and all the legit agent from STC will deliver your request at your doorstep.
Hindi na doorstep ang gagawin ni
Ano na?
Side step na, oh. Ayun na po kayo ng internet dyan. Okay na yan.
Love
Diba?
it.
Love it na. So yun, maraming salamat. And of course, we would like to thank our production, ang ating cinematography.
Yes.
Sir Diang, Eken Visuals, thank you so much. Ang ating productions.
Yes, of course, ang ating makeup artist and ang ating wardrobe na si Miss K at si Miss H.
Yes, at syempre, thank you so much to our producer, ang
Yes.
art.
She's there right now.
Every time yan, lagi yan nakasupport si Miss K ng Artful
Miss K.
And of course, very much thankful din tayo sa mother ni Lujing.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Ma'am Christy.
Ma'am
Mami
Christy,
Christy.
Mami
Yeah.
Mami, jer ka na natin.
I think we have to do, what is the good names for her? Mami Chris,
Mami,
Ma'am Chris,
Mami jer.
Mami Jer,
Because she will be our mommy plus manager. Diba?
Mami Jer.
Okay, thank you.
Anyhow, whatever, kung anong gusto niyang itawag natin sa kanya, she's still our mom.
Yes, she's our mom at very supportive yan.
Yes, of course.
Again, Maurice, thank you so much, ha?
And of course, no,
Oo.
thank you, Kai.
Thank you so much sa ating mga supporters for
Yes,
this episode. Kay Miss Anang Rita Manpower, maraming salamat.
Yes, sino pa ba?
Kay Miss Amira ng Alamir
Amira.
Manpower, thank you.
And of
so much.
course, sa aming damit today, thank you so much,
Kay
Jubilee and
Jubilicious.
Kay
ayan.
Jubilee.
You look so
Yeah.
great. I just
Kaya-
want to
Yes, thank
say,
you so much.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
as a fashion designer, I approve.
Ay,
Wow!
Love
Ang
it!
galing.
Ang galing!
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, so yun. Thank you so much mga kasansi. Sabayan mo kami sa The Podcast.
Yeah, okay.
Yung The Podcast,
The
The Word.
Podcast,
Sabayan
yes.
mo kami. Alright, this has been Sam.
And Quiz, the podcast.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
May fans kasi sabi ko.
Thank you again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Maurice. It's a good one. Stress na may pasok pa. Morissette Magalona. Let's go.
Ano ba mag-ano tayo?
Open na. Pwede na. Oh, meron ako ibibigay sa'yo.
Ano yan naman yan?
Ito. Buksan mo yan na.
Baka naman tumatalon to ah.
Wala.
Hay! Hay! Hay!
May gagamba.
Okra ito. Naka-shoot yun?
Oo, pinarol ko.